Hello everybody. So like I said, abhi no office, no lights, no camera, and we are doing this. Jay, you're on camera. Say hi.
Hi.
So we are doing a series of videos for my audiences, and we are doing these. Today when Jay is here with me, so I thought it's a good idea to listen to his viewpoint. Yeah, look at the camera, Jay, and know about him because Jay, when did you start working?
I started working from October 2024.
Okay. Can you be little loud because we are not using mic? Yeah. Say that again.
I started working there from October 2024.
Okay. All right. So Jay works in Delhi. We stay in Mumbai, and October of 2024 he left for. Actually, we left in September.
October 2024.
Yeah. So October we left, and then I stayed with him 15 days, and then of course. Once I was confident he can handle, then I came back. So Jay, tell our audience about. Hey, angry young man, smile. Thank you. So tell our audience, our friends about how is your day typically? What time do you wake up, and then what do you do?
And I wake up at 6 a.m.
So somebody wakes you up?
I wake up alone. Sometimes at 7 a.m. also I wake up because 9 a.m. My shift time fluctuates.
Okay, so when your shift is at 9 a.m., so you wake up at 7, and when your shift is at
8 a.m. I wake up at 6.
Okay, just be a little louder. And then what all do you do? Are you having a roommate or somebody, or you're staying alone?
I am staying alone.
Okay, and then what all you do as you wake up?
I wake up, I take bath, then I change my clothes, and then I clean my room, and I put the garbage bag outside, and then leave for my office.
Okay, so that means you do the daily chores and you put the garbage outside, and then you lock properly, na?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. Yeah. And do you make sure that your phone is properly charged and everything?
Yes, I make sure.
And then how do you reach office? Is there an office bus coming or something?
I go by Rapido bike.
Oh, so you take a Rapido bike. So you have the app in your phone and you book it. And if someday a bike is late, then what do you do?
Someday bike is late, I hire the taxi.
Okay, बड़े साहब है टैक्सी में जाते फिर. Is the office very far away or your place of work is nearby?
And my place of work is nearby.
Okay, that's great. And then what do you do? What department are you in?
My department is bakery.
Okay. And so what section do you see in bakery? What all do you do?
I make cookies and breads and all.
Louder, please, louder.
I'm in bread section.
Okay, cookies and breads. Okay. Okay, so they keep shifting your section or it is just one section?
It is just one section.
Okay. Okay. And by what time do you come back home?
At what time? Sometimes by 7. I come by 6 p.m.
Okay. And sometimes by 7. So why do you come back by 7?
I am because the work is more. That is why.
Okay, so the workload is higher, so then you have to stay back. I remember last year you also got a thank you note for helping, yeah?
Yes.
What happened actually? And I felt very nice as a mother. He posted a thank you note from his bosses that he had. Okay, let him tell. Yeah. What happened?
Thank you note मेरे को इसलिए मिला था कि I received thank you note because I received thank you note because I worked very hard and I served the guests cookies and all.
Yeah, so that was beyond your work. You helped another colleague?
Yes.
Okay, great. So Jay, what do you like the most about?
The most about वो विंटर्स a lot. सर्दियाँ बहुत पसंद है मेरे को. वो कोहरा वगैरह वो
कोहरा, mist, सर्दियाँ. Okay. Is that the reason why you don't want to come back to Mumbai?
हाँ लेकिन हाँ अगर मैं चाहूँ तो मैं कहीं बाहर मतलब वहीं नॉर्थ के अंदर ही शिफ्ट कर सकता हूँ,
हाँ,
लेकिन
louder, louder,
चाहूँ
louder.
तो मैं कहीं बाहर नॉर्थ के अंदर भी शिफ्ट कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन
Yeah, but not Mumbai because it's not cold. Yeah, you love the cold weather and the big jackets that you wear and all of that.
yes,
Great. Do you miss your family sometimes, Jay?
yes.
Okay, so this time when you came back, came here, why did you come here?
Because I was sick. That is why.
That's
not-
all? Nothing else?
I was not feeling well. That is why,
And
and my mom had fracture.
yeah, at least say that I came for Mama also.
I came for my mom also when she had fracture, and I was not feeling well.
So you were also not well, and of course you wanted to meet me. And as you came back, I got to know that today in the morning you went and you met all your friends and your gym buddies.
Yes, I went to meet my friends and gym buddies and all.
Okay, so what did they have to say? They saw you, were they happy?
Yes.
And what did they say?
कि तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक तो तबीयत खराब थी, लेकिन आप वो अंडर वेट में आ गए थे.
So they were saying that you have lost weight. Wow, that's nice. And what else?
ये भी था कि वो आप फिर उसके बाद अभी थोड़ा और वेट बढ़ा के.
No, बढ़ाना नहीं है. Come is okay. Yeah? Yeah. It's always good to be balanced with our weight, है ना? And you look handsome, boy.
Thank you.
So, when are you going back?
I'm going back tomorrow. Tomorrow I have my flight.
Okay. And today also you have some plans, right?
Yeah, yes, वो in theater. I'm going to watch movie Border 2 in theaters.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
I'm going to watch movie Border 2 in theaters.
Okay. So your mama cannot go. She's got a fracture. Who are you going with?
I'm going alone.
He's going alone. Yeah. Okay. So did you fight with your brother when you came back?
No, I didn't fight.
सच बोल.
Yes, I fought. Yeah.
थोड़ा. Yeah, little bit. Okay. Yeah, look at the camera, Jay. So do you miss home sometimes?
Sometimes yes, but
Huh. Are you happy?
yes, I'm happy.
Is there one message that you would like to give everybody, all the parents listening to you?
Yes, the one message is that work hard with your kids, and they can achieve a lot of more success.
Yes, and imparting skills is very important. Yeah, if you give skills to your children, then you get to live the dream of missing them because they are working in another place. Yeah, and going for movies alone because you are hurt. Not always because you're hurt, but because they are independent. Yeah, वापस आके मेरे को बताना Border 2 कैसी लगी. Okay?
Okay.
Just because your friends said you've lost weight doesn't mean you will eat junk. Huh? All right. Say bye bye to friends. Look here. Bye bye everybody. I hope this brings enough hope in your hearts that yes, autism is workable. There is a bright future. Smile, angry young man, Amitabh Bachchan. Smile नहीं करते हम. All right. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye.